everybody, I am RJ. Welcome back to Alguno Diaries. Today, we are going to be making Zen freezing avocado ice pops. So for my mold, I'll be using a yogurt container and popsicle stick. So inside will be like that. Just take it inside, and then when it's done freezing, take it out. And that's it. For our ingredients, it will be condensed milk, heavy cream, pistachio nuts, avocado, of course, because it's in the name, and lemon. Today, I'll be using a blender and an electric mixer. So the first step, we'll put some avocado, some condensed milk, and a drop of lemon in our mixer. Lemon juice and to keep the avocado green, because when it gets mixed it turns brown, so the acidity helps it stay in its color, green color, so we need to add some. So we're done blending it. Now let's put it aside. So now let's move on to our heavy cream. Mixing until it slightly thickens. Once it slightly thickens, let's put our vanilla extract. Let's get for one more time now. Your blended avocado into your heavy cream. Now you start mixing it using your whisk. I'll be having two flavors, one that's just plain and another one that's with pistachio. You can have it all pistachio or all plain if you want. And then we'll put the mixture inside our yogurt containers. in the second way, you put pistachio on the most bottom, then you fill it with the filling, and then you put the sing. So you might think that's the bottom, but when it's sing, it will look like that. I can't really tilt it because it'll be like that, and then when you take it out, that'll actually be the top. So yeah. So it might look ugly like this. So you want to like hit it like the bottom like this to make it more flattened. Yeah, and to also pop air bubbles up. So now you're going to put your pistachio nuts into the mixer. Now we've made a total of 9 avocado ice cream pops. We're gonna put it in the freezer and leave it there overnight. So our avocado ice pops are done freezing. Now this is how we unmold it because it sticks to the sides and you have to like shake it. And if you do it too much, it'll break. So you get warm water and then you place it inside. You wait for a bit because it loosens the sides. And then if you think it's alright, you try shaking it. But if it doesn't come out, then that means you still have to do it more. But if it's already done, you shake it a little bit, and if it goes out there. So you did. So that's all for this video, and see you next time. Bye!